The right tools paired with the right knowledge and experience. That's how Burns & McDonnell and Matterport help you visualize success. Literally. Managing modifications and retrofits depends on having precise data about your facilities, helping you avoid costly revisions and time lost to updating documentation. Matterport's powerful 3D platform reduces costs, enhances safety, and maintains detailed documentation of your project spaces. We use Matterport to collaborate with you in a shared, interactive, virtual model for design, reviews, and approvals. Your space is captured with 4K imagery and depth data, which is securely stored on the platform. The model is ready for easy markup, collaboration, and integration with other digital tools. Scanning is a fast, straightforward process with fewer individuals needed on site and fewer site visits needed afterward. Boost your efficiency and save time and money spent documenting your sites. Using Matterport, Burns & McDonnell can provide as much as a 30% reduction in time to complete the design process. Burns & McDonnell and Matterport, changing the way the built world is documented.